Welcome. Embarking on your journey as a med student in the Caribbean is both exciting and challenging. Let's explore the essentials you need to thrive in this new adventure. Starting medical school is a big step. With the right preparation, you can navigate your first year with confidence and ease. Caribbean medical schools offer a world-class education in a tropical setting, but remember, the rigorous academics require focus and dedication. Preparation is your foundation for success. Think of it as training for a marathon. It ensures you're ready for the challenges and opportunities ahead. Get to know your school and the local area. Research housing, transportation, and community activities to ease your transition into Caribbean life. Balancing costs is crucial. Budget for tuition, housing, groceries, and save by cooking at home with local produce when possible. Time management is key in medical school. Use digital planners to organize study time, breaks, and personal time for a balanced routine. Health is your foundation. Embrace local activities like swimming. Enjoy the fresh produce and take care of your physical and mental well-being. Make learning active and engaging with flashcards, group study, and self-quizzing. These strategies will help you retain complex information. Immerse yourself in the rich local culture. From food to festivals, the Caribbean offers unique experiences that make your journey unforgettable. Keep your focus by setting achievable goals. Celebrating small wins will keep you motivated through the toughest times. With preparation, resilience, and an open heart, your first year in Caribbean medical school will be rewarding. Embrace this opportunity and thrive on your path to becoming a doctor.